Happy holidays! I'm Lady Lila Brown, and I'm so excited. I'm going to do another unboxing video. I'm very cozy at home. It's the holidays. I've been working all year long like crazy. So when I saw that As Ever was coming out with its latest collection, I just had to get it right away. And so I ordered on December 22nd. It shipped the same day. Today is Christmas Eve and I got it. And so it was fast. But the only thing is that when I did my first round of shopping, I noticed that her website has a whole lot more to offer. So I ordered a few more gifts, like literally like maybe 30 minutes later. And so those few items that I added on later are still coming. So I might just do like a cute little unboxing update for that. But I cannot wait to get into this. So I got this beautiful box here and it says open with care. And I'm gonna get right into it. So I'm just gonna get some scissors and go ahead and open this up and show you all the things that I got from our lovely Duchess Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex. But you know, when the Duchess is selling, I have to support. I love her so much. She is an amazing person. I'm just so happy for all her endeavors. So she inspires me to keep it cozy at home. And that's what I'm doing this holiday season, but let's get into it. I cannot wait. As you can see there, it says open with care. So you guys, you know, I'm very wild when I'm doing my unboxing. Y'all know I'm special when it comes to it. I be trying to be so cute about it, but I really am like that wild child at Christmas time that just be like opening all the gifts all crazy. That was me. I was that kid. I thought it was great that I got it because usually her stuff sells out immediately, especially when she was doing, I think, the wine. So I just am so thankful for the algorithm. They was like, you seem like somebody that likes to shop with the Duchess. And I'm all about supporting her in her financial independence. And guys, I'm so busy. I haven't even had time to watch With Love. And I'm going to do that. That's going to be my binge watching because during the holidays, like, there's no guilt trip. So it says, enjoy from Meghan. Ah! As ever. Okay. All right, let's get into it. Let's see if I can remember what I even purchased. I'll tell you what's on the way because it's still shipping. I got her flower sprinkles. I got her flower sprinkles because it suggested that you put these beautiful flower confetti sprinkles to garnish like your plates and for presentation. And I was like, sure. And then I got her signature 84 candle that represents her birth year, 1984, which is a very special year for the city of Los Angeles. So I always want to represent 84. So, you know, I understand it's 80s babies, but you know, I thought that was cute. So I'll probably end up getting all the candles eventually. But this is As Ever's peppermint tea. And it says her manufacturing is happening right on Sunset Boulevard. But it says on the back here, it says, easily the favorite tea in our home. That's what she says. Mint tea is both soothing and refreshing to be enjoyed as an every day delight, as ever. So, of course, I love my teas, and the last like big tea collection I purchased was from Bridgerton. So I just trust the British and those adjacent to the British. I trust them when it comes to the tea. It'd probably make more sense if I just got it directly from India. Oh gosh, girl. All right, so this is that. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm growing my own mint now, so I don't know if mint and peppermint the same. But anyway, peppermint tea. And yay, I love little individual bags for instant tea. Oh my gosh, so you know, that's that. I believe I got another tea, so I'm just gonna put that there. And oh, this should really help it stay fresh, I can imagine. So we got more. Got quite a few diverse items from her. This one is a lemon ginger tea, which I just think women, I don't know how you could be calling yourself a young lady and not be an avid tea drinker. It's so healthy for you, and I don't think you can go wrong with any herbal blend tea. Okay. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Extinguish the nostrils. That's that ginger for you. Again, these come in cute little individual bags, very lightweight, which I appreciate this. I know that's a new trend in like the tea world as opposed to the paper tea bag. So if anybody knows any more about that, feel free to share why that's more healthy benefit. But I think those tea bags are definitely the go-to favorite. So again, I have the peppermint tea and I have the lemon ginger, which normally you'll get like some ginger, but the lemon ginger combo I really like. And she says here, I've been making a soothing tincture of lemon and ginger for many years. This beautiful tea blend simplifies the process so you can enjoy it fuss-free. Just add water and savor it anytime. So that's that. Oh, look at this beautiful packaging. Oh my gosh, thank you to the Duchess. You can tell she put a lot of care into the design and the style. So, and so you know you can't have your tea without some honey. I do sugar in the raw, but I like this as well. This is an orange blossom. This is an orange blossom honey. And I didn't get, there's one that comes with a honeycomb with it. I don't think that's this, but I'll probably get that on my next purchase. And then this is the wildflower honey. So I cannot wait to get into this. I am big on my jams, the preservatives, and honeys. So Miss Honey. And let's see if she got any notes here. She said this honey this is the wildfire. It says, this honey has a vibrant sun-kissed color and an elegant character, crafted with love for the ones you love. I cannot wait to enjoy this with some of my favorite people in the world, my loved ones. So yes, they're gonna love it. I know, I love hosting, so and she's inspiring me to take it to another level, kick it up a notch. So this is the orange blossom. It says this honey has a beautiful golden hue and subtle citrus undertones. Again, crafted with love for the ones you love. Thank you. She's so thoughtful. I love the notes. I love when you get things and it has like these little cute notes because I know she's big on, you know, personal touch. So this is my mulling spice kit. Don't ask me what that is. I don't know. We're going to find out together. So it says with a gorgeous blend of aromatic cinnamon, citrus peel, lemongrass and ginger are as ever hot toddy mix. Oh, I know what that is. Y'all, I've been drinking hot toddy since the first day of fall. I've been drinking hot toddy so I don't get sick this winter, and it's just rolling over. It's my favorite like seasonal drink. But this is the hot toddy mix. Okay, yes, that's why I bought it. It invites you to savor the season and share with the ones you love. So I have a hands-free type camera thing. So maybe we'll make this together because I don't cook it, I don't clean, so I don't know how to do stuff when it starts talking about ingredients and mixing. So I'll try my best to follow the instructions. It'll be fun. We'll do it together. I think this is it. This is the heaviest, and this is it. But I have more on the way, and I'll keep shopping with her until I have at least everything on her. All right, so Merry Christmas to me, Merry Christmas to me, Merry Christmas to me, and Happy Holidays to you. All right, so very easy. Oh, y'all know, y'all look. Raspberry spread, orange marmalade, and strawberry spread. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Any cute little notes here? Let's see. Ooh, oh, yep, this is fresh. I'm gonna have to get on this right away. Oh, a nice raspberry spread. And I believe these you can also buy individually. So run. Just open up a new tab and go ahead and shop with the Duchess. This is orange. I got a lot of orange stuff. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I just want to lick it right now. And this is the strawberry spread. Raspberry, orange marmalade, and strawberry. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Oh my gosh, with my bagels, with my I like jelly sandwiches, so crackers and the whole works. So this is my first batch. I'm still waiting for my other items to come in, but I'm so happy this got to me, even with all the holiday stuff. So great, great, great. So guys, go out and get Megan the latest from the Duchess. Okay, our Duchess is selling right now, and so yes, again, I got the mulling spice kit, which is going to be great for my hot toddies. Okay, the ingredients here are organic cinnamon, organic lemongrass, lemon peel, and an organic ginger root. And so I'm so excited to get to this. I'm going to get on this right away. I am so inspired to go ahead and watch With Love by our Duchess Meghan Markle. And I'm going to watch from the beginning, and then I'm going to hopefully roll over into the holiday special. And then I'll probably just binge watch all the Downton Abbey movies and just enjoy my lovely, lovely Anglophile obsession during the holiday season. So I hope to hear from you all. I hope you all have a safe holidays. I hope you and your loved ones just get everything your heart's desire. And I hope you all get along. And I hope that you all live long and prosperous. And I'll see you all after the holidays and into the new year. So until next time, take care and good luck. I'm so cozy. So let's get out of here. Pew, 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 pew. Take care, y'all. Bye bye. Yes, this is beautiful.